Volkswagen is working on a more powerful 6-cylinder version of its forthcoming Arteon fastback sedan. The prototype features a 3.0-liter turbocharged VR6 that makes 409 horsepower, CarThrottle reports. VW's product line spokesman Martin Cube told the CarThrottle that VW has combined a more powerful engine with its Huldix 4-wheel drive system. "This is a real agile, powerful car," he said. The Arteon midsize hatchback is Volkswagen's upmarket successor to the CC that it unveiled in March in Geneva. The regular version will be offered with 3 diesels and 3 gasoline engines that top out at the 276 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder gas engine with the 7-speed DSG transmission, with the top-tier version getting 4-motion all-wheel drive. The VR6 would presumably fit with Volkswagen's Performance R division, where it just updated its Golf R and is testing a T-Roc R crossover under new Boss and Motorsports veteran Jost Capito, according to Motor Authority. The standard Arteon went on sale earlier this year in Germany but will go on sale next year as a 2019 model. Asked whether the VR6 will make it stateside, VW spokesman Mark Gillies said only, "We are bringing in the Arteon with the 4-cylinder turbo.